Newfront Insurance Review. Watch before using. Most people get insurance brokers wrong. They assume all brokers offer the same coverage and service. The surprising truth about Newfront is that it blends technology and personal advice to provide tailored insurance solutions, and you won't believe how streamlined the process can be. Here's how it works. Newfront offers commercial insurance for businesses, including general liability, cyber, and workers' compensation. The platform uses technology to simplify quotes, compare policies, and track renewals, while brokers provide expert guidance for coverage decisions. For example, a startup looking for liability insurance can receive multiple quotes online, review coverage comparisons, and finalize a policy with expert advice. Most people get this wrong. They assume online quotes are sufficient, but Newfront ensures businesses understand coverage limits, exclusions, and compliance requirements. Additional features include digital policy management, risk assessment tools, and ongoing customer support. Users praise transparency, efficiency, and the combination of technology with expert insight. However, there are considerations. Certain niche industries may face higher premiums, and the platform is primarily focused on businesses rather than personal insurance. Most people assume broker services are slow. Newfront streamlines the process while maintaining personalized advice. In conclusion, Newfront is ideal for businesses seeking a tech-enhanced insurance experience with professional guidance, making policy selection easier, faster, and more informed. Subscribe for more honest reviews of insurance platforms and financial tools.